Hello. This next series of videos is going to show you different joins used in tatting. The most common join is what most tatters call a regular join. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm working on a motif here. I'm using size 10 crochet cotton. I've got 2 shuttles. Okay, this is the shuttle 2 and this is shuttle 1. Now, here we go. Let me loop this thread around my hand because I'm making a ring. And I am going to join this ring that I'm working on to this ring by doing a regular join. Okay? Now, this pattern is 3 picot 6 picot 3. Okay? It's a generic pattern that I'm using. It does not belong to anybody as far as I know. If it does, I apologize. Okay? So, on that note, the way you do a regular join, you have your hand wrap, you've done your 3 double stitches, now you're ready to do your join. What you're going to do is take your hook or your pick or a crochet hook, okay? You're going to run it down through that picot from top to bottom, grab that thread, pull it up through that picot. Now here's where a lot of people have difficulty, okay? This picot will twist, or this thread will twist. You don't want that to twist. So here is a little trick. I hook it on my finger, okay? And then you run your shuttle from bottom through the top, okay? And then tighten up that join till it meets the other picot. Okay, and you have done a regular join. Then you continue on. We're going to put 6 double stitches in here. Now I'm going to move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I've got 1, 2, 3. Oops, shuttle went flying. Okay, that's 3. Need more thread. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now we're going to need another picot. Now mind you, I'm not measuring the picots with the picot gauge. This is all generic. It's just to show you how to do a regular join. Okay, we've got our picot in, and we're going to put 2 more double stitches, and that will give us a total of 3 double stitches after the picot. We're going to post the shuttle and close that ring. Okay? If your ring does not close, you have a stitch somewhere that didn't flip. Okay? So there you go. We have our join right there. So I hope that helps you with the regular join. That is one of the easiest joins to do in tatting, and it's the most commonly used. So that explains the regular join. The next join is going to be a shuttle lock join or a lock join. Okay, so let me set up for that, and you'll see it in the next video. Happy tatting. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.